that thing is wreck the place.
So.
All right, so you got to put that thing inside there.
Got to put what?
Yeah, look over here. Let's show them how this works, okay? So down here, you've got your light. It tells you it's on.
Low.
And I think if you look here, we are on, it says low. So low's good. This is a West Bend crockery. And you can cook all kinds of stuff in this. You just got to plug it in over there and it gets hot. I'm going to show you guys how to make, what is this called again? An infused oil?
Infused oil. Rosemary and basil.
Rosemary and bagel.
What?
Rosemary and basil?
Yeah.
Rosemary and bagels.
Infused oil.
It's infused. It's confused? Because I'm confused. All right. So,
2 cups of oil.
can we go over what we're going to put in this?
I do light oil. Where's my light oil?
Well, wait, don't we use olive oil?
Light.
I love your olives.
Piss me off.
All right, here's our olive oils. Apparently, we're going to go, like, mix it up.
2 cups.
Okay.
Mild olive or vegetable oil.
That's mild.
Not really.
It'll be mild enough. It'll be good. Let's just do
I'm
it.
just used to using this, you know.
Well, let's see what the front of it is. This is what she usually uses, but we need more of it because we only got, like...
So, we can ask Madison what she's doing.
So how much are we making?
I'm gonna make probably make 3 cups. I'm gonna triple the recipe.
All right, so how much is that?
That's only a cup and a half.
Are you
So
going to
let's
use
see
this?
what she says. She's on the toilet.
Oh, that's nice.
Kind of all.
All right, so we got the oil. These were $25 each, and they are 1 quart or 50.7 ounces extra virgin, and this is the best you can get. You can't get better than that. What we're putting in there right now is it's like a salt blend, and let me show you what it is. It says Tuscan rosemary sage. But we're also going to put, you can do it. How come you're opening both of them?
What?
Oh, I thought you didn't open that one. She's strong like Bo. Look at her. Don't hit me in the face with that. Ow, 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 ow. You got it. You can do it. You got it? Okay, so how much are we putting in there?
Just 3 cups total.
Okay, 3 cups total. Mm-hmm. Can you see what you're doing? Look at that.
So I just read too, this lasts 2 months in the fridge, which I didn't know.
What? After you make it.
Correct.
But this you can just stick in the
That goes down below.
pantry.
Yes.
All right. So now, what about the? We're just gonna pour it in, and you already have it on low, right?
I have it on high.
On high. How long is this gonna?
1 hour on high, and then turn it off until it's cool, and just leave it.
Okay. So we leave it for 1 hour on high. All right. Let's see. Let me just show you.
I wonder if I should
Got
do
it on high. All right. What about this stuff over here?
I usually do 2 for us. I wonder if
Are we? Are we gonna put this in?
I have to chop it.
Oh, we gotta chop it. Okay. So let me just show you this again. So right here is the West Bend crockery. You can see it's on high, lights on. That's in, and she's gonna chop. Oh God, don't stab me. So dangerous. Yikes. You could easily lose a finger or something even worse. Another appendage. I got too close. Notice the height that she's chopping. I think you're good. Oh my God, that scared me. All right, check it out. Leopard print. How finely do you have to chop it?
I do it pretty fine, so it squishes as much flavor as possible.
You can smell it. Oh, it smells good. Your other stuff's flying everywhere. think those are Dale Strong Gladiator Series knives. They're the best.
Not really.
Let's agree to disagree. All right, here she goes. She's just got it in her hand. There it goes, right in there. And that's it, right? You got to mix it up a little bit?
Yeah.
She's getting all of it. She's not wasting any of it.
I feel like I need
You think you need more?
more. Because I think it was, I have to look at it, it was a quarter cup for just 1 cup of oil.
Should I mix it? I mean, you do.
So it's a quarter cup for 1 cup of oil. So I definitely could use.
I mean, you can always use more basil. You know what I mean?
So that's 3 cups. I wonder if I should.
Should we go out in the garden and get more basil?
Yeah.
Yeah, we put some more in there.
That's probably enough.
All right, I think that's going to do it. All right, we just got to let that cook for an hour, and we'll come back and check it out. Got to put the top on now, all right? And then we just wait for what? We wait 1 hour. Right now we got 13 more minutes for the bread. There I am, look, that's me. Uh-oh, somebody's having some nuts. And we turn this off.
Okay.
Yep, and there we go. So what we do is we're going to use a coffee filter in here, and then we're going to strain all of this deliciousness through this into here, and that'll be our sauce for our focaccia. We've got our delicious salad, cucumbers, tomatoes, and olives, green and black. Now we've got to get our dipping sauce for our focaccia bread ready. All right, so you're going to need a strainer, you're going to need maybe some coffee filters, and a couple implements of destruction. So here we go. Take the top off. That's good. Now we're going to strain it. Slide it over. Now the thing is we got to get this in here. How are we going to do that?
I pour it.
Do I need to hold this like straight up?
No,
Maybe we should get. Maybe we should just use one of the gray cups to dip it in.
What? No, I just pour it.
You sure?
Yeah.
What if
I
it
just
gets?
do it in a couple shots.
But it's going to drip off the sides.
It's going to drip off the side no matter what.
You think? Okay, got it. Okay, now what? So what is this doing? This is just like trying to get the oil through that filter? I mean, I think it's going through. Let's see.
No, it is.
Yeah, we're getting some in there. Oh, what are you going to do now? You going to squeeze it? Ooh, it's not going to rip, is it? If you squeeze it, it might pop.
No. Squeeze it down. Of course, I can't see with the phone there.
How about now? So she's just squishing that all out. And as you can see, it's filling up. And as you notice down here, you don't see all those chunks. You follows me? So this may take a couple of, see? This may take a couple of coffee filters. So this you have to keep doing for like probably 10, 15 minutes. I mean, you could let it sit here and just drip by itself, but that would take a while.
That's good.
The peanuts? I mean the pine nuts?
That's interesting. That's a good flavor.
Let's try one.
Never would have thought that.
All right, here we go. This is number 3. We gotta squish this one. So we're just gonna pour that in there because we didn't have enough room in this one. All right, so that one's done. Now we gotta do more. Here we go. Now the porridge.
2 more or 3 more?
I think it's just 2
2
more.
more.
And now we've got basically 3 cups of rosemary, basil infused light olive oil. We just got to start dipping. All right, this is our infused oil. This is the focaccia bread, and I'm going to taste test it, see what I think. Okay, you ready? Oh my God, that is delicious. Very good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.